We're taking him to France, everyone. Not gonna see my brother for 2 years. That's sacrifice. Here we go. What's up, guys? It's your boy Tyler. Welcome to another episode of Draw and Talk. Don't worry, I'm not like driving like super fast. I'm actually freaking stuck in traffic. I was like, I'm gonna go to work really early today, and instead I get stuck in traffic, so I'll just be going to work the normal time. But yeah, today, guys, I wanted to talk about the 3 things that you will probably need to sacrifice in order to become a comic book creator. And these are just my own personal opinions. So yeah, let's talk about that. But real quick, Kickstarter is going great. We're 150% funded, as I just checked. And it's still going till the 30th of October. So this is the perfect time to get Demons. The link is down below. It's a 122-page comic book. And then you're going to also get a 40-page digital behind-the-scenes book as well. That's 160 pages of comic books that you're going to get if you back this book. So now is the perfect time. And then, it's volume 1. So if you want to, volume 2 is going to be coming out next year. So this is a good place to do it. But for the Kickstarter or Indiegogo for volume 2, I will include a reward that lets you get volume 1 and volume 2 if you miss out on this time. So no worries. But back it. So yeah, let's talk about the 3 things that you're probably going to have to sacrifice when it comes to making comic books. The first one is for writers, mainly, but even artists. But it's got to do with money. The first thing you're going to sacrifice is, your expenses, the things that you like to buy. This goes for writers, but also goes for artists. If you making comics is expensive, whether you are a writer or artist. So let's say you're a writer, for example. The money that you're going to be probably funding your indie comic, most likely. Therefore, you might have to sacrifice a couple things. You might have to sacrifice not buying the latest video game. You might have to sacrifice not being able to going out on the weekends, or sacrifice, eating out a bunch. Because all of that stuff costs a lot of money. I mean, if you eat out every single day, you're probably spending $5 to $10 per meal. That adds up pretty quick. And let's say you spend $10 a day eating out. That's $70. That could go towards 2-3 pages of a comic book, depending on the artist or the pencils. It is that's a lot of money that you could make for your comic book. Similarly with video games. Video games are around $60 to $80. So you didn't get the new Spider-Man game. I didn't get the new Spider-Man game. I want to play it. It looks fun. But I know that I need to put that money towards my comic books if this is something that I want to take seriously. With artists, same thing. Artist supplies, whether you're working digitally, if you're working digitally and you need to buy a tablet, that's expensive already, so save up your money. But also, art supplies, pencils, pens, inks, brushes, those are all expensive things. So yeah, the first thing that you're probably going to sacrifice is your expenses when it comes to, your entertainment expenses. The second thing you're going to probably sacrifice is your time. To make comic books, it takes time. And this is now going towards like the art side of it. Time is your biggest asset, but it's also your biggest liability, as in everything that you do takes up your time. Me going to my day job right now, that's 8 hours I'm sacrificing, which sucks because I hate my job. So what I did in order to, and then also I've been doing these live streams at night, and those take around an hour. Then I got to hang out with my wife because I freaking love her. So there's not a lot of time for me at night to draw anymore. So what I've done is I've started waking up at 5 o'clock in the morning. It's 3 hours before I have to start thinking about getting ready for work. And so from 5 o'clock till 8 o'clock, I'm drawing. I sacrifice some sleep. I sacrifice an hour or so, an hour or two of sleep. in order for me to get to draw. And you know what's great about drawing, by the way, at 5 a.m. is that no one's on Facebook, no one's on Twitter, well, that I talk to. No one's texting me, no one's trying to get a hold of me. It's just, very quiet. My wife's asleep. I'm just in the zone. So, yeah, but you're going to have to sacrifice your time. Maybe that means you don't hang out on the weekends sometimes. Maybe you don't go out. Maybe you limit your social life. I mean, guys, making comic books, it takes up so much time. It takes up so much time, especially if you want to, get your book out. I'm working on, I'm working on an anthology right now, and as well as my own books, plus this Kickstarter, plus the Undead Row with Wes Nuttall. I don't have a lot of time, so I really make sure that I spend my time wisely. And don't get me wrong, I play video games. I'm on that. I play video games. I still hang out with my friends. I make time to watch TV and movies. But to make time for those things, I took away time from sleeping, which means I wake up at 5. And then I also go to bed early as well. So that is a sacrifice, okay? The third sacrifice, I kind of already said it in the time thing, but it's social life. Meaning, kind of just the people that you surround yourself with. So like last night, we did the creator hangout, which was super fun. And I could have hung out with my friends or my brother while he was playing video games at my place. But I knew that I had to get these pages done. But what I did was, while I was coloring those pages, I surrounded myself with other creators and we could chat. And I had a blast doing that. And I'm probably going to do more of those if I ever, work at night. But it's just a good way to, you want to surround yourself with people that are pushing you. You don't want to, my friends, luckily I have a good set of friends. They understand my goals, my aspirations. So when I tell them, hey, I'm not hanging out tonight, they understand. Or, they're very, he's probably working on comic books, he's got a book coming out. But if I had friends who were like, oh gosh, Tyler, you're always doing this, and would pressure me to always come out, making me feel guilty, you just got to get rid of those people. It's just not good for you. So yeah, those are the 3 things I'm going to say that you have to sacrifice. There's probably more. There's probably a lot more. So yeah, let's go over them real quick. Probably your entertainment expenses, and that comes with food, video games, movies, going out, etc. Second one is time. Your time is very valuable. So if you can't find time, and I'll make a video about this, but if you can't find time to make comic books, you're gonna have to subtract some time out of your somewhere to make comic books. I'll do a video about that since I've been really working on this time management system for myself for the last year. And then the third one is just your social network, your friends. Do they align with your goals? Are they pushing you to positive places? If not, do you need them? So yeah, thanks so much guys for watching. Smash that subscribe button and that like button. Comment down below. Let me know, what things that you sacrifice in order to become work towards being a comic book creator. We're all on this journey together, I'm on the journey. I hope that you're on the journey with me. I want to support you. I hope that you guys support me. And how you can support me is checking out my Kickstarter, Demons, Volume 1, 122-page graphic novel. The link is down below. So, yeah, a couple more days left till it's done. Dude, I love this ray of sunshine. So, maybe we'll get a thumbnail from here. Ready? 3. Oh, block the sun. 3. All right. Peace out, guys.